From a spotlight on U.S. employment to factory numbers in China, these are the stories to watch in business and finance in the coming week. U.S. employment continues to be a focal point for investors gauging how rapidly the Federal Reserve will need to cut monetary policy in the coming months. All eyes are on Friday's data and whether it will support Fed Chairman Jerome Powell's sunny outlook for cooling inflation and resilient growth. The Fed kicked off its rate-cutting cycle with a 50 basis point reduction on September 18th. Factory activity data in China is due on Monday, just a week after the country unveiled its most aggressive stimulus package since the pandemic. It will be too early to see the effects of the measures, but investors may look past Monday's likely dismal numbers given the wave of optimism that has swept global markets following Beijing's announcement. The Bank of England is trailing well behind the Fed and the European Central Bank in the race towards neutral rates. Markets show traders believe Britain's central bank is almost certainly going to cut rates far more slowly than other major ones. The new Labour government has sounded the alarm on Britain's grim finances, something October's budget will seek to address. Figures due in the coming week on mortgage lending and consumer credit might provide some much-needed cheer. Eurozone inflation numbers due on Tuesday will be under scrutiny as the ECB decides whether to cut rates again in October. Investors now see over a 50% chance of a 25 basis point October rate cut. Eurozone business activity unexpectedly contracted in September, stoking fears the ECB is behind the curve.